Going to do a little kayaking today. First trip. I'm going to go down Blue River. You may recognize this spot. This is where we went camping a couple years back. We're going to drag our kayaks down, see how it is. Whoops. That's not supposed to be.
It looks like it would be rougher. This is awesome.
Already found a pair of goggles. Well, this old slab sure is deteriorated over the years. Not in this one. Y'all going to Milburn Bridge?
Want to race?
Yeah, go ahead.
Have y'all been down here this year?
Yes,
Is it clear?
I have, yeah.
No log jams? Wow, that's great.
This is our maiden voyage.
Okay, 2 weekends ago.
Oh, great.
I don't want to go on that side where the dog is.
Yeah, it's pretty gross. That's my neighbors. Yep. We're floating from Cheadles Crossing down to those rapids back there. That's where the old crossing was. We're floating down to Milburn Bridge. Usually takes a couple hours. Now I've never done it in kayak. I always done it in a flat bottom. It's depending on how much time you spend on the bank, getting out, checking things out. Usually it doesn't take very long. Met some other kayakers. They're actually my neighbors. And we're just all, I guess we all had the same idea. Coming up on my favorite spot. Old fishing shack. Fishing shack, I guess. This is my favorite spot. You got springs that are dripping off the this is my favorite spot on the whole river. You can see the springs. This is my favorite spot on the whole river. You can see the springs. come this way, but you gotta watch out for this branch. Come towards me or go underneath it. If you can go underneath it. A little bit right behind us. Had to go underneath the tree. She made it. I almost sunk. I had to go around. The way the water was, I couldn't get pulled over. So maybe it'll be easy. We'll just try it out. There's So this is my first real kayak trip. Usually I float Blue River and I'm in a John boat, and I've got ice chests and plenty of people, and I've got oar locks, and I do the oars. This is so much easier. The kayak is so light. It's so light it can be dangerous, but we're making our way. You can hold more gear in the flat bottom, but
It's better to be compact.
I like how compact it is.
We're gonna have a good month, you know? First kayak trip down Blue River actually went really fast. I'm kind of surprised. You really make a lot of ground with a kayak. And we got these kayaks. This one's pretty stable for a big old boy like me. But it's a lot of fun. Well, we made the trip. We made it back to where my truck is. Had to spend about an hour trying to get into a vehicle. One of my buddies who was kayaking in a different party had locked his keys into his kayak, or his car. So we were trying to get, which we couldn't get it open. We tried. And it's a beautiful Memorial Day, and we are here, and there's nobody else here on Blue River, and at this spot on Blue River, and we're going to spend probably the rest of the day just kind of chillaxing by the river. Let me give you a bird's eye view. You see the river down there? Yeah. So, the maiden voyage of the kayaks, which is technically the first time I've actually kayaked. I've always used a john boat. So, I'm excited. We made the trip awful quick. It's 4.2 miles from where we started to where we finished, and worked out really good. We do got to add a couple of oar places to hold our oars to the vessel, but anyways, Riverbanks Outdoor Adventures. See you on the banks. Yep, that just happened. Driving down the road, we had the kayaks on the other vehicle, and I guess going down that dirt road, it loosened the strap somehow, and the both those kayaks nosedived right on the road, right on the pavement, slid down the highway. So we put them on back on my truck, ratcheted down, and hopefully we make it home. I don't know what damages have been done. We just throw them back on top of the truck. We'll get it home and assess the damages. Did see some road rash on one of them. I know they both got it, but what a day. Great day floating down the river. Sorry for all the wind noise if you're getting it. I'll roll my windows up. Keep it between the mustard and the mayonnaise. So, floated blue, hung out, and we have this kayak strapped to the Jeep Commander, and it flew off. I was sitting there watching it. I look up and there's two kayaks, 12 noon in the sky. I should have checked them. I should have checked the straps before we left the second time. I knew better. I had thought about it. Anyways, we are fixing to roll onto my road and check these things out. Hopefully they're not too bad.